Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Durga Murli Lots. Today I feel to have tomato curry. So before to that even I thought to share with you how I prepare tomato curry. So let's begin our tomato curry preparation. Most of the bachelor days of my life add this tomato curry because we can prepare this in 15 minutes maximum and it is tasty and yummy. We are beginning the preparation. So let's pour oil. So again, oil is depends on how you eat. So let oil get heat. Just make it high flame. And now we pour the mustard. Let it heat. So urud dal. So urud dal will heat. So let these two get fried for some time. Now it's time to pour jeera. Let's everything get fried for 30 seconds. Actually, it is very easy recipe. You can do it in 15 minutes as I said earlier. So most of my bachelor days, I used to eat like weekly 3 times. So now it's time to curry leaves. So curry leaves and mix for some time, not sometime, just mix it. Now onion is like one big onion. We'll add bit of turmeric powder. It is antibiotic and tasty as well. So let's add turmeric powder and mix it properly. See, now we can see even onions also get brownish. Now it's time to add tomato. So we'll add tomato. Add the tomato. So if you cut the tomato small pieces, so it will be easy and tasty. So it will get boiled very quickly instead of having big chunks like that. There is a one small secret. If we add some salt to tomato now itself, it will cook very fast. So no need to wait for a more time like 15 minutes. So in 5 minutes it will get cooked if we add bit of salt. So let me close the lid and wait for 5 to 8 minutes. In between we'll open the lid, just mix it around so that each and every piece of tomato will get cooked properly. Just mix it again, we'll close. See, if you see here, it's properly cooked tomato. Then let's mix it again. Now it's time to add coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. So basically I use grams, and bit of salt. We already added salt in the beginning. Now we'll add some more as per the taste again. Then we'll add mirchi powder. It's again 1 tablespoon. If you prefer to eat more spicy, you can add little bit. Now well, so all the powders get mixed into the curry. So again close the lid just for a minute, not more than that. Now open the lid. Yes, literally itself so yummy. So I'm eagerly to eat this tomato curry. Now let's add coriander leaves. We'll get some more taste. Yes. Yeah. Just garnish the tomato curry with coriander leaves. So it's looking yummy for me. Let's stir it again to make coriander leaves taste go inside the tomato curry. So you see it's properly cooked. Even I'm feeling that smell. Now it's time to eat. If you feel like it is easiest and really quick curry, please like and share with your family and friends. Please subscribe to my channel Durga Murli Vlogs. If you want any specific curry to prepare, please comment and see in the upcoming videos. Now it's time for taste, guys. It's perfect and it will really nice with chapati and paratha as well.